Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Honda Odyssey door panel. Before starting, it is important to gather your tools. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a small flat blade screwdriver, and a plastic trim removal tool. These tools will help you safely detach various components without causing damage. Having a soft cloth or rag nearby is also a good idea to protect your vehicle's interior surfaces during the process. Now, let's begin the disassembly. First, use your small flat blade screwdriver to carefully pry off the small trim piece located behind the interior door handle. Once removed, you will find two Phillips head screws. Remove both of these. Next, gently pry up the power window switch panel, starting from one edge, and then disconnect its electrical connectors. Finally, check for and remove any additional Phillips head screws, such as one commonly found underneath the armrest. With the screws removed, it's time to detach the main panel. Insert your plastic trim tool between the door panel and the metal door frame, starting at the bottom. Gently pry outwards to release the plastic clips holding the panel in place. Work your way around the bottom and sides, releasing all clips. Once the clips are free, lift the entire door panel straight upward to disengage it from the window channel. Finally, disconnect the interior door handle cable and any other electrical connectors still attached. To reinstall the door panel, reverse the removal steps. First, securely reconnect all electrical connectors and the interior door handle cable. Carefully align the top edge of the door panel with the window channel and push it down into position. Then, firmly press around the edges of the panel to snap all the plastic clips back into their respective holes. Reinstall all Phillips head screws and replace the trim pieces. Finally, test the power window and door handle to ensure everything functions correctly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.